On today's menu, a simple and delicious recipe that will carry you through the week. A comforting and extraordinary red kidney bean curry. Lei hong ma, that is going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. This recipe is so delicious and so easy, it's definitely one to make on repeat. As always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Place 1.5 cups of basmati rice into a small saucepan. Rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. Crush about 4 cardamom pods and add to the rice. This is a quick and simple way to add a little fragrance to the rice. 1.5 cups water. Medium-high heat. When the water starts to bubble, give the rice a good stir, then cover and cook on medium-low for 15 minutes. That cardamom smells so good. The great part about this recipe is that it takes literally 25 minutes to make from start to finish, basically the same time as cooking that rice. This recipe should make enough for about 3 portions or 2 generous portions. Finally, dice 1 red onion. You can also use 2 shallots or 1 white onion if that's what you have on hand. Crush and peel about 5 pieces of garlic. Finally, chop the garlic. I love to add a lot of garlic to give that gravy a really nice punch of flavor. Crush and finally chop a medium piece of ginger. The ginger will add delightful heat and aroma to the gravy. One long red chili pepper. These peppers are fairly mild and you can keep or remove the seeds, it's completely up to you. Finally chop the pepper. You can substitute this with a green chili pepper or completely forego it, it's completely up to you. Sauté pan. Medium heat. 1 tablespoon chili oil. This is a little spicy, really smoky, really aromatic chili oil made in a previous episode. I'll definitely leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out, make it really easily at home. I'll also leave another link for you to check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version available in these books. You can also visit youngmancooking.com. Alright, let's get cooking. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Fry the seeds in that delicious chili oil for a few seconds. Add in the red onion, garlic, ginger, and chili pepper. Sauté for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off on the rice and let it steam further for another 10 minutes. 1 teaspoon salt. You can use 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder if you have it, or in this episode I'm using 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. 1 teaspoon coriander. 1 teaspoon turmeric. Stir and cook for about 30 seconds. Add in about a 1/4 cup of water. Give the pan a good stir to deglaze and combine all those amazing flavors. Rinse and drain a 540 ml can of red kidney beans. Add the red kidney beans to the pan and give it a good stir. Take this opportunity to also mash some of those beans. This will help the gravy become thicker and a little bit more robust. Continue to stir and cook for a couple of minutes. Add in 1 800 ml can of chopped tomatoes. Give the pan a good stir to combine all those incredible flavors. This recipe is great for meal prep as it's easy to make and it tastes just as good the next day. 1 generous teaspoon garam masala. Give the pan a good stir and take a moment to admire that stunning crimson red color. Add in a handful of fresh spinach, then cover and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Remove the cardamom pods from the rice. You'll see that they've magically floated to the top. Fluff the rice. You can enjoy this recipe with naan as well. Plate the rice. The spinach should be nicely wilted. Give the pan a good stir and it's done. Plate generously. Garnish with some fresh cilantro and a drizzle of that extraordinary chili oil. You can now enjoy this delicious recipe with absolute confidence. This looks and smells incredible. Wow, that is so delicious, just so good. Visually, this dish is rustic, it's beautiful, it's casual, it's stunning with that gorgeous red, orange, crimson color. And there's that bright pop of green color as well. From that first bite, you're welcomed with so many different flavors and moving parts. It really is extraordinary. There's that natural sweetness from the tomato. There's the saltiness, the extraordinary aroma from the cumin, the fennel. You even get this nice hint of fragrance from the cardamom pods in that rice. There's such a nice combination of textures with the velvetiness of the gravy, with the red kidney beans that add to that body against that nice, fluffy, comforting rice. The chili oil adds just that little bit of spicy heat, but it brings that gravy together with this nice smokiness and a really delightful aroma. That spinach is a really nice addition as well, just to add a little bit more veg into the gravy. All of those spices work so well together in bringing together this amazing restaurant quality dish. This is definitely a dish I'll be making on repeat for sure. Like I always say, simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up a copy of the 4 Young Man Cooking Cookbooks. Down in the link in the description box below, you can check out the print or digital version of these books, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.